up, Team UWC? It's your boy TWP Popcorn. Y'all know what time it is. 6 p.m. Wednesday, 10 a.m. Saturday and Sunday. Regular posts, look out for shorts. Y'all know to hit up that Buy Me a Coffee link, sign up, get your content monetized. Check out Yokin and W if y'all need y'all some affiliate programs. They are taking applications and accepting people to start selling. It's marketing, so get your sales up. If y'all want one of them stamps, make sure y'all hit up that link for Riley Print. Shouts out to Riley Print. They got them stamps for you. Y'all go ahead and let me know what y'all smoking on. Let's get ready to start this show.